Are there really any cool linear grooves for beginners? Yeah, in this lesson there are. What's up everyone, CJ here, hope you're all doing well. The term linear drumming has gotten sort of a intermediate and advanced stamp on it, which isn't completely true. People in their beginning stage of their drumming journey can definitely pull off some linear stuff. So in this video, I'm gonna show you 3 beginner-friendly linear grooves. Before we get started, all my channel members out there can download everything from this lesson via the link in the community tab. So if you want that extra bonus content, consider joining the channel membership. Now let's start with groove number 1. First of all, if you're not familiar with linear drumming, that is when no limb plays at the same time on the drum set. So it creates a whole different flow in your drumming. This first groove is pretty funky, so let's look at the transcription. It's mixed with 8th notes and 16th notes, and the sticking for this is kick, right, left, right, right, kick, right, left, right, right. So the kick and snare just plays 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the right hand plays on the hi-hat. I'll break it down slowly at first and gradually increase the tempo. Okay, groove number 2. Alright, this one is a bit tougher than the first one, but I promise, if you take it slow, you'll get it in no time. The subdivision here is 16th notes, and the sticking for this is kick, left, right, kick, right, left, right, kick, right, left. Let's break it down slowly at first and gradually speed it up. As you can see, as soon as you learn the groove, you can play around with different stacks and splashes or toms or whatever tickles your fancy. Okay, time for the last groove, you guys, so make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. The last groove in this lesson is probably the trickiest of all of these, so make sure to practice slowly. This groove will incorporate your floor tom and it will turn into a really cool and heavy groove. The sticking here is kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left. Since we all know how frustrating it is when we can't play anything, make sure again to play this at a slow tempo before you speed it up. Let's break it down. Well done, my friends. Those are 3 beginner-friendly linear grooves you should definitely try out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber yet, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated whenever I release a new video. Now, if you can't get enough of linear grooves, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and good luck with your drumming. I'll see you soon.